heads. Time to start the day.
Mom, I feel sick today.
You a high temperature.
Take your medicine and rest well, Leo.
I will be alone in class today. That feels a little scary.
I will drop you off safely, sweetheart. I will pick you up after school.
Be brave, be kind, and have a good day.
Wait at the school gate after class.
Okay, Dad. Please come on time.
I promise, my brave girl.
Good morning, students. Where is Leo today?
He is sick today. He has a fever.
Please tell him to get well soon.
Yes, miss. I will tell him.
Your brother is always sick. Maybe he is afraid of school.
Please stop it. That is not funny.
School is finished. You may go home.
Dad will come soon. I must be patient.
This project is important. We must finish it today. Yes, let us finish it now.
The sky looks very dark. The wind feels very strong. I feel very scared. Sir, can I stand here?
Yes, daughter. Stand near me.
Please answer, Dad. My battery is low. Oh no, my phone turned off.
Hey, want a ride? It's really coming down out there.
I am leaving soon. I can drop you home. No, thank you. Dad promised to come.
The meeting is finally over. Let me check my phone. Oh no. 11 missed calls from Mila. I must go now.
The road is very slippery. I must drive carefully. punctured! I need a taxi quickly!
It is very cold. My clothes are wet. Maybe Dad forgot me.
Mila! I am here!
Dad! It is you! I was very afraid.
I am so sorry, sweetheart. I was busy at work. My phone was silent.
I thought you forgot me.
I could never forget you. You are safe now.
Where are they? I am worried. I hope they are safe.
We are home.
I forgot Mila at school. I made a big mistake.
Oh no. Mila, are you all right?
Yes, Mom. I am safe now.
Let us change your wet clothes. I made your favorite pasta.
Really? Thank you, Mom. Oh.
Never stay alone outside. Always go to a safe adult.
I stayed near the guard. I felt safe there.
I am very proud of you.
Family must protect each other.
What would you do if you were Mila?